billions of years ago, a single massive explosion created everything we now know in our entire universe. But the Big Bang was not an explosion that happened in space, but rather a monumental expansion of space itself. And it's still happening right now. Every single galaxy is rushing away from every other galaxy, accelerating faster and faster. This leads to a fundamental, mind-bending, and almost insane question. If the universe is expanding, what is it expanding into?
It's expanding
Find
rapidly.
an answer. We must
Incredible.
challenge our entire perspective of the cosmos, and even
Truly
of reality
remarkable.
itself. To fully understand this, just imagine a simple balloon with a few ink dots drawn on its rubber surface. As you inflate the balloon, the ink dots will all move away from each other in every direction at once. Every single dot sees all the other dots moving away. But there is no central point in the middle. This is how our universe fundamentally works. The expansion is happening in every single location all at once. So, the question,
What are we missing
is
here?
the universe expanding into?
The
May not
anomaly
make sense to us
persists.
at all. But that's not the entire story. There is a mysterious force that's speeding up this cosmic expansion. It's called dark energy, something that makes up to 68% of our universe. But we cannot see or measure it. It acts like an unseen, colossal hand pulling the very fabric of space-time, stretching everything apart at a rapid rate. And then there's dark matter, which makes up another 27%. The invisible glue that holds all the galaxies together. The very existence of these two things proves we only understand a very small fraction of our universe. So, what is outside our universe? Is it just an endless and empty vacuum of nothingness? One famous theory suggests our universe could simply be one bubble floating in a much larger multiverse. Each of those bubbles is its own universe, with its own unique set of physical laws and rules. Another hypothesis suggests that space might be finite, a curved, closed block of matter that folds back on itself. If you traveled far enough, you
Interesting.
could eventually
but
return
I see
right
a flaw
back
in your
to your
calculations.
exact starting point. Ultimately, we must face one incredible, mind-bending possibility that changes everything we know. Maybe the concept of an outside doesn't truly exist in the first place. The universe isn't expanding into a space. It is actively creating that space as it expands. The expansion itself is creating space and time right within its own fabric. As it goes, this idea fundamentally challenges our entire understanding of
Fascinating.
reality and
Incredible.
everything in it. Although we may not have the final answer yet, pursuing this great question has already taught us so much. It shows us that the universe is far stranger and more complex than we could ever possibly have imagined. And our continued search for the answer has opened up new doors for physics
Incredible.
and our
Truly
understanding
remarkable.
of astronomy. Our universe remains a monumental mystery. And that is precisely what makes it so beautiful to us.